They're so pretty.
No, okay. Hey, okay.
Oh my mind. You are something else. Hey girl. Hey girl. We are not in church. Why is Cat acting up today?
Babies. Hi. Are you guys resting? No, okay. Hey, okay. Hey, Ken Ken. Hi. Hi, mamas. Crazy.
She is crazy.
She is Shell.
Hey girl. Hey girl.
Hi, baby. Hi. You don't want to look at the camera? You're so cute. You're a spoiled girl. Jeez, is that a sister thing? She just loves her big sister. Oh, that love.
What's up, everybody?
Hey, everybody.
Missed y'all. What's up, what's up, what's up? Okay, so listen, I have a preface. Okay, so we had a whole video. We shot this whole entire video once before and had some sort of freak out computer crash or storage crash or something, and all of our footage is gone.
And that was a good video too.
I know. So this is the second time we are filming this. The first time was an unboxing surprise, but obviously that footage is gone, so we're not going to be surprised anymore, you see? Okay, so this video is about our little kitties, our fur babies. This is something so cool. A lot of you guys always ask about our cats. Every once in a while they'll pop up in my videos and you guys ask about them. How are they doing? Da, da, da. We know that there are other people out there who love on their fur babies and their feather babies and their shell babies and their we know that there are other animal lovers out there who watch the channel, so we wanted to bring you something so cool before we jump into what this is. You know what we gotta do. You know what we gotta do, right? Oh, okay. I was gonna say she don't know. I was gonna say, no, you are something else. We gotta give it up for who? The subscriber of the day.
It's like gonna be.
We are not in church. Y'all make sure you hit that subscribe button if you have not done so already. Join the family, join the fun. So, to this video, where are the little ones? Come here. There is a company called Crown and Paw. They are so awesome. They take photos of your pets, whatever they may be, and they create a portrait where it's like the face or the top part of your animal in a costume.
It's very cool.
It is, and most of them are like Renaissance, like back in the day sort of costumes.
Like Africa, Egypt type stuff.
And you know what's so crazy? In the very first video, I said, you know what would be so cool? I know a lot of the costumes are like Renaissance based, but with us having cats, when I think of cats, I always think Africa. Always. Like cats. I just think of Africa. So I was like, it would be so cool for them to add African costumes to their repertoire. Literally, as I was on their website and as I was saying that, what happened?
She asked, I hope that one day they have more pictures, pets and costumes of Africa.
And literally, right as I was saying that,
Right, she was saying that we found a picture of it. And it was beautiful.
yes!
Queens, beautiful.
It was, so they do have it. We're probably gonna do it. They have like Renaissance costumes. They have some sporting costumes. They have African kings and queens. It is so dope. We're gonna show you the portrait that we got done for our kitties. Come here. You go on their website, you choose the costume that you want, upload your photo, and then you place the order, and that's it. And they do the rest. Hey. Y'all know we are filming. Okay, so that's literally all you do. And I'm gonna show you some examples of what they do. Hi, come here, Nava. Nava is not fooling with us, honey, today. Okay, and what they do. I think that is so cool for pet lovers like us. Isn't that cool? So now we're going to show you the one we got of our girls, our fur girls. You want to get it? Okay. That's what you have kids for, to run around and do all the stuff you don't feel like doing. Okay, y'all, they let you choose what type of costume you want if you have more than one pet, if they're girls, if they're boys, so all of that good stuff. So we have 2 girls, so we chose the sisters, and this is what we got. Oh, that's so cute.
They are from Crown and Paw.
Yes, they did such a good job. Look at the faces. We just sent them pictures of the cats and they did the rest. You guys, this is so neat. The sisters. What are y'all doing?
I don't know.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. And they can literally do any animal. No matter if maybe it's an iguana,
Yes.
a chameleon.
Yes.
I don't know about insects, but
I'm sure if you could get a good picture of the insect's face, I'm sure that they could probably do that. We love, love, love the portrait of our fur babies. Beautiful. Naba and Kenya. Real deal pet lovers are going to get on this, I know. Their information will be in the description box. We want to make sure that you guys can access all of this cool stuff. Big shout out to Crown and Paw. You guys are awesome. You guys are so creative. Amazing, amazing work.
get a animal medal.
Yes, we present you all with the Animal Medal of 2020. Crown and Paw. We love our fur babies.
I also really love huskies. They're so pretty.
This is not about huskies. She's like obsessed with huskies. And
I know.
And we're so not getting one.
I'm getting one when I grow up and get my own house.
That's right. Amen. Your house, you get what you want, honey. I know that's right. She understands the ways of life. All right, y'all. You guys be safe, be sweet. And in the meantime, in between time, we wish you all
Peace, love, and light.
Woo!
Bye-bye.
Bye, y'all.
Ooh, good.
Why is Cat acting up today?
Every time we try to do a video, they always acting up.
Come here, Kit Kat. Come here. No, you're not going. Okay. Are you hiding from me? Hey, no,
Oh,
fight.
yeah.
Why you acting up? Nava, you acting up in front of company now. Why you acting up now? You are sisters. Sisters.
Not fighters.
Oh my. Kenya is in hiding.
Oh.
Ken, she's messing with you. I'm messing with you, baby. Where you going? Are